Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical. And in this video, I am going to show you how to bulk create in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create so many projects at the same time, you just simply have to open your Canva application or open any browser and open the site of Canva. Then after that, you just simply have to select any of the template into here. For example, I'm selecting this template now, and after selecting your template, in order to bulk create, you just simply have to scroll down into this bar in left side, and after that you will get to see this bulk create option. But you have to get this bulk create button from the apps section first. Just simply tap into that app section and you will find this bulk create option into the discover section of apps. Then after tapping into this bulk create, you can create your projects in bulk, but you have to get premium of Canva in order to use that feature. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.